Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, March the 29th, 2019. Well, we've got a lot to cover today as we ended the day, the week, and the month, and we're going to do this a little differently today. You'll see I have four charts here. I have the 15-minute chart, the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the monthly chart. And Trade Ideas has come up with these new weekly and monthly charts, so we're going to go ahead and use those to look at what happened throughout all the time frames in question. So we're going to start up with the daily, and you can see here we did have a little bit of volatility early on, but then we finished the day real nice and strong, just about at highs. You can see here on the daily, very nice looking chart. You can see right there kind of, a spinning top type. We finished the week out with a nice gain. So, we're continuing this trek up. We had this little bit of consolidation here, and, we, consolidated here a little bit, pulled back after we hit it. Had everybody concerned that maybe we'd pull back, but now it's going back up. If we look at the monthly chart, we have 1, 2, 3 months in a row, and you can see here we closed very near to the top of the monthly chart as well. So very, very nice looking. As far as volume goes today, we had a little bit above average volume. You can see it there. If you look at the volume on the monthly chart, you can see somewhere right in there is about average. So I'd say we're about average volume on the monthly is what it's looking like. So let's go ahead and clear that off, and let's move on to the spiders and see how they turned out. And you can see here much of the same pattern on the daily chart. A little bit of chop here early on, but then pretty much nice gain for the rest of the day. You can see here, we've got that spinning top type of a deal here, big tail at the bottom, however you want to state it, but definitely closed up for the day. If we look here at the week, we closed up for the week, plus we have a bullish engulfing. Now looking at the week here, we've been consolidating for technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks here. So hopefully we're building some momentum so we can finally break through everything here. If we look at the monthly, there's our 3 months in a row. Closed near highs, so looking very, very good there. We look at our monthly volume, and looks good. Had a fair amount of volume all the way through there, so spiders are looking good. Now we'll move on to the diamonds. The diamonds, we had here for the 15-minute chart, a little bit of chop, but mostly up, for the rest of the day there. Nice close on the daily. Look at that there. Had that gap up and closed real nice. The weekly candle, we had that pullback, a little consolidation. We have that bullish engulfing candle set up, so we're hopefully ready to trigger that on Monday and continue on up. Now the monthly is a little different story. If you look close enough here, what you'll see is actually we closed just about 15 cents below where we closed last month. So technically, we did not have a green candle on the monthly, but once again, after all this pullback, getting back up there and closing, virtually flat on the month was a pretty good thing. And you can see here, maybe average volume, maybe just a little bit above, looking good all around. Now with that, let's go ahead and clear this off, and we're going to get the weekly and the monthly out of here so that we can take a look. We're going to go ahead and look at Holly. We're going to start with Holly Neo today, since our charts are up above. Holly Neo had 6 trades today for a loss of 53 cents. Risk one, she lost 79 cents. She had one where she made 16 cents on CNXN, and her best trade on the Risk off was FIZZ, just 2 cents. So nothing really to get too excited about there. Let's pull these charts down and take a look at Holy Grail. 16 trades, a profit of 2 cents, but 254 risk on. I bet you there's a nice one in there somewhere. And we take a look. We had EOLS, 43 cents, got out for a timed exit. And that was a long trade. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Get my bearings here. I got them switched around. Normally I have the 15-minute over here and the day over there. There we go. We now have it the way we are used to looking at it. So you can see just a very, very nice trade. She got out because of a timed exit, but this trade just kept going all day long for $1.11 on the risk on. But we had AMRN that even did better on the risk one. She got out for a profit save 34 cents, and then it started going $1.90. So this Scott Doe Wants to Go was a very, very nice trade there, and float on was good. And we even had another got Doe Wants to Go 50 cents on the risk one. So that was a very nice strategy. If we look over here, it was 50% on the day. Now we'll move on to Holly 2.0. She had 3 trades there for a loss of 22 cents, but risk on profit of 43 cents. You can see here nothing to speak of on the risk off, but the risk on, we had WK. She got out for a profit save, and then once it started going, made 79 cents on it on the day. Let's go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet in, because the same thing, we need to take a look at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly here. So if we look at what we did today, 25 trades, 73 cents loss, 218 is the risk on profit. Total trades for the week, 120. Risk off profit, 127. Risk on profit, $3.56. Now if we look at the monthly trades, for the total month, we had 147 in Holy Grail. We had, let me fix that, hold on. Sorry about that. We had 659 was the risk off profit, 1779 risk on profit for the month. Holly 2.0 had 132 trades, $5.60 profit. 834 was the risk on. We had 157 trades for Holly Neo, $2.20 profit, $4.64 risk on profit. So for the month, you can see we were down in trades total for the month, just $4.36. Our risk off profit was $14.39, and our risk on profit was $30.77. And I want to thank you very much for watching these videos, and God bless.